Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera and in today's video, we will talk about a free accounting software. Before that, this is my YouTube channel and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. First, I will show you the website, the demo, how the dashboard and other features work. Only after that, you will install it. This is the website for the free accounting software, and you will see something like this. Here, you can generate reports related to invoices, sales, purchases, inventory, customers, and banking. You can do all of this on this software. It is absolutely free, you can use it for free for a lifetime, and it also has many add-ons. If you need any specific functionality, you will find the add-ons for that here as well. First, let me show you the dashboard, and after that, I will show you what you will need to install it. So, let's see the dashboard. This is a demo of the accounting software. I will show you how the dashboard will appear, and if you install it on your domain, you will see the same. For example, in the sidebar, you will have sales, purchases, banking, and when you go to the apps, you will see different advanced options. Look here, as per your requirement, like if you want to add inventory or anything else, then you can add the required plugins here. Here, if you click on the plus sign, then you can see options like invoice, income, customer, bill, vendor, and you can just click on them from here. Anyone can subscribe. If you need an email server for this, you can set it up from here. What will happen with the mail and PSP is that you will directly get the email, and you will not need to enter the SMTP variable. Once that is set up, you will not need to enter the SMTP variable. But if you have SMTP, then you can put it here. When you click on the plus sign and then click on Invoice, you can also create invoices here, and you can enter the name of the invoice. You can add your customers, prices, items here, and then send or save the invoice to your customers. In the Reports section, you will find the reports of all the channels here. So, this was the demo. Now, I have shown you what you will need to install this software. You will need a VPS, and you will need a domain. You can get the VPS from DigitalOcean, and you will find the direct link in the description. Here, you can get the cheapest one with 8 GB RAM for only $8. If you need any support, service, or want to learn this software, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number I have given below. And here, I have put all the commands on my website, so you will find the link in the description as well. We are going to use DigitalOcean VPS, and the domain that we will use is the one I have mentioned. First, go to DigitalOcean, click on Create and then Droplet. From here, you are creating a VPS. Right now, you will get the cheapest one here, and port 25 is also open. Port 25 is basically useful for emailing. If you are sending an invoice, then you will need it. So, you should definitely buy from DigitalOcean, and the link is also in the description. Let's go here. I have created it and selected New York. After selecting this, the thing that you are going to install here is Ubuntu 22.04. You can install it on both 22.04 and 20.04, so I will select the 22.04 one from here. After that, the basic plan is right for me for now. I will select the one with 4 GB RAM. Your work will be done with 1 GB also, but the password that you will use in this video, you will use the same if you want to enter it anywhere in the entire video. So, what I pasted here, it is saying that it must be open. So, it is saying open, so what do I do? Press SWI. And let's enter it and see, it is now ours. So, this password will be ours. After that, what do we do here in the host? enter our domain name. And I paste it here and click on Create. So, as soon as our BPS gets created here, we will enter its 3 or 4 records here. So, I have to enter 4 records here. First, the title. The title is basically time to live. So, if I enter 600, then my connection will become a little fast. And here, as soon as I get the IP, I will put it in the target here. So, you have to create 4 records. So, here it is almost done, and you have got the IP. So, now what do you have to do? I will put the IP in all 4. You can also create one by one, but keep in mind that if you have GoDaddy name servers, So, there you have to enter the A record to point the main domain. But it is not like that in the free name, and in one, I put www, in one I put Akaunting. Akaunting is basically a subdomain, so we get it pointed to our IP, and I get Akaunting pointed to www as well. And after doing all this, I click on Save Changes here. I am doing this so that when you are installing, your IP and domain both get connected, so that your Akaunting can be installed easily. Okay, this is done. After that, you can use whatever software or PuTTY you have, named Bitwise. So, I open Bitwise here. Bitwise, okay. This is a free SSH client. Okay, in this, I copy the IP. You have to enter your IP, and here, my user is root, and here, the port that you need to use is the one for SSH, and I'm going to copy the password. When you click on Login here, so, here you have to click on Accept for this connection and enter your password in the password section and click on OK. If you want to open the terminal here, you will have to click on this. So, the terminal will open now, okay. So, what do you have to do now? You have to go to the block here. I have shown the step-by-step commands here. So, you have to run the first command to update your system, but packages, etc. here have already updated themselves. If not, then I have copied it here. You just have to right-click here, and all these things will be pasted here. And after that, you have to click Enter. So, you let these packages get updated. After that, you will run the next command. Here, it is asking whether yes, continue, so here, you have to type yes. You have to type Y and press Enter. Wherever this Y/N is there, then you have to type Y there and press Enter. If something like this comes here, then this has also been installed here. After that, what do? You copy this command and just paste it, and this has also been installed. After that, you have to do this command. You just have to copy. I have to put all the steps here step by step, so I have put this command here. And after that, you go to the next command. What is here that? Whatever extension, etc. you will install in it, that I copy it and add it here. What I have to paste, click Enter. So, here, all its extensions that are requested will be installed here. This one has also been installed here. After that, what do you have to do that? You have to install MySQL here. So, now you will install Apache and MySQL in it. So, first of all, let's install MySQL. First of all, you will have to run this command, so I do it, copy it, then you paste. Click Enter, and here you have to type Y and click Enter, then your server from MySQL will also get installed. After that, you will install Apache. So, you have a requirement of both of these, so here, my MySQL is almost done. I copy its command. After this, the Apache command, I put a dot here and hit Enter, then Apache is also installed here. It is done. I type it here again and see, okay. After that, come down and start it. Now, the things have started, then. I type the MySQL command also here with MySQL start. So, I have put this also here. After that, let's restart the device. So, step by step, you just have to copy-paste the commands. After that, come here sudo mysql. When you type here, you have to click and press enter, then something like this will appear in front of you. So, what will you do in this? That is, you will create a database named Nginx. So, if I put this here, then a database named Nginx has already been created with me. So, I will also create a user. I will come here and paste it. And look here, I will show you this Nginx password. That is yours. You have to enter your password here. So, this will be the password of the user who has created his database. He is also creating a user in it of this name. He is creating a user of this name, his pass. So, if I run this command, copy and put it here, then the password of this name will also be created here. So, I put it here. So, one of our users has been created here. After that, run this command, copy and put it here, and then to do this, you have to copy and exit. So, you have created the database user here, and now you press exit. After that, what you have to do is download the latest version of Akaunting. So you have to do this command, copy-paste it. And it is downloaded. After that, what you have to do is unzip it. It is a zip file, but this has been downloaded. So, to unzip it, you will have to download the unzip package here, which is not installed by default in Ubuntu. So, I have installed it here. So, what will I do now? I have downloaded this latest version, so let's unzip it. In which folder should I do it? In the /var/www folder. If we do this inside a folder named Nginx, then I do this, copy, and here you have to enter the command. And all the files will get unzipped in the /var/www/Nginx folder. What has to be done after that? If I have to give it permissions, etc., then I give it the permission here with the chmod command to assign the Apache permission. What has to be done after this is that I have to create a file here in Apache, so I create that file here. If you have to run this command, a nano editor will open here. What to do on it is you have to enter this, and I pasted it here. And here, you have to do one thing, that this is your domain. You have to copy the domain name, and when you go up, see here accounting.yourdomain.com, you have to enter your domain here. So, I entered my domain here. Just pasted it, and now if you want to save this as a file, then Ctrl+X, then type, and click enter. This file is done. After that, what do you have to do? That here you just have to run these step-by-step commands. Copy-paste them, and then copy-paste the restart Apache command. I pasted, and then again copied it, then pasted again, and the last command is this restart Apache again. Yes, and I have done this here. After that, what you have to do is, if you want to install its SSL. So, I do this command, copy, and here what did I paste? And then it is asking you whether you want to continue, so you have to type Y here and press enter. After that, the SSL is getting installed. After that, it is asking you here, so here you should just click on the click and press enter. After that, you do this command, copy, just paste it. This is basically you are doing this for installing SSL on your domain, so your SSL will be installed simultaneously, okay? So, after that, you have to do this command here, copy it once in Notepad, in which you have to make some changes. And I copy my domain name, and here, just see once that, which is inside this. Look here, you have to put your domain in example.com or I will put admin here. And lastly, you also have to put in your domain name, OK. Then you have to copy this complete command and paste it. Paste it, click enter. So, here it is asking yes, so I will type yes here and click enter here. And if your www and your domain are connected to it, then SSL will be installed here. So, you should enter the records in advance, only then it will be installed here, OK, because until it is not indexed, it will not be applied here. So, now it has been completely installed. So, now what do you have to do? You have to do this, so I will do this here in a new tab, open. Then here accounting.yourdomain.com, put your domain in place of yourdomain.com, and I put it here in /install, so you have to install it. OK, so here you have to select English, US, click on Next, the database is asking here. So, look here, the database which I had created above, the name of the database is Nginx, so I will enter the name of the database here. I had used the same password for the user I had created, so this is the password of the Nginx user. So, I clicked here, OK. As it gets installed, then you will have to provide the admin login information here, like admin password, admin's email ID. The data, etc. is getting installed in the database that you had created. OK, after this is done, look here, the company name, I put the name of my website here. And company email, I entered admin@admin.com. The admin password is the same as before. I entered it here and clicked on Next. Your login has also been done here. Now, you have to log in like this, admin@tech.com and the password you set earlier. You will be logged in here. I have already shown you the demo of this in the accounting software. Now I will show you a little more in this. Click on Next here, and then go to Create your first invoice. And after that, again when I come to the main page, you will see its dashboard. OK, and here like in sales, it is in purchases, in banking, and here as you click on settings, click on create, then all its things will come here. 1. You have to go to apps here. When you will not see the add-ons, you will see the API key here. So, what you have to do here is come to the entry point and come to the side and click on Get Started. And otherwise, from here also you can directly click on Get Started and create an account here. OK, here I will do Start. Click on Start and click on Create New Account, so you can create a new account here. So, I will create a new account with a temp email. I will show you by creating a new account. Then we will get an API from there. So why do we enter that API? I am showing it to you. Like this, I got an email. I entered this, and I kept the username and password. OK, and then create a new account. I clicked here. This email is not acceptable, so let me put my email here. I will copy and paste it. Then I selected this username and entered this password and clicked on Create Account. OK. After entering this, your account will be created here. Check this device. So, I confirm it here. After confirming the email, you will get the API here. So I will log in here now. Login, I did it here. Clicked on Login. So, after logging in, it is asking for the company name, etc. So I entered the company name here, and from here you have to select yourself. Click on This is my company. That after coming, you will get something like this here, like I do it from here, copy it. And after putting it here, I click. Now, it will happen that you will see it here, and whatever you have installed, it will be on your own VPS. This domain has been installed here, and if you install its app here, then here also you will find all its advanced options when you look here. So, as soon as you come to the app, look here, you can search all the add-ons here, and whatever your requirement is, you can find it here like the inventory, that is a double entry. Whatever your requirement is, you can buy that add-on from here, or you can also buy the free add-on here. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.